Avi, great to see you here in Digital Transformation World in Nice. Can we kick off with, what does this theme mean to you?
Yeah, so digital transformation for us is profoundly important because most of the operators, the communication, media industry are being disrupted. And we believe that digital means being agile for your business partners, being agile for your customers, being agile for your employees. And we are helping companies to solve that problem. So we believe that digital means agile, and therefore we are calling it Agile Digital, which is being leveraged upon three other paradigms that we have as part of our strategy. The one is around that to deliver a clear and good digital experience, you need to energize your core. So we are paying a lot of attention by interventions of artificial intelligence, blockchain, and some of the new technologies, plus cloudification, etc., to energize the existing assets that the companies have. And then we are looking at that how do you need to reskill your manpower. One of the things that I believe is during the transformation, you need to really change the cultural and behavioral aspect of the organization. So what we are doing to ourselves, that we are reskilling our workforce to address some of the key challenges around digital. The last one is that the way of working in the digital environment is also changing. So therefore, we are paying far greater attention to creating some localization in our delivery setup. So for an example, in North America, we are setting up 4 or 5 units where our engineers would be embedded with the customer engineer sets to deliver some of the value addition in the digital world.
And you're also, in addition to your comms, media and technology responsibilities, responsible for OEM worldwide. What does that mean in the context of our industry, telecoms and media?
That's correct. So what we believe that if we believe that the communication industry was disrupted, actually the OEM world, the telco OEM world is disrupted far greater because the networks and the hardwares are turning software. So my responsibility is to work with some of our key partners to help them move in that direction, where they can take some of the hardware-driven capabilities to software. So I'm working with them on that. We are also helping them in their enterprise pursuits where we are bringing agility within their ecosystem. But more importantly, we are also bringing in telco OEMs capabilities and dovetailing it with our artificial intelligence platform, our capabilities that we have put together, and going out to communication industry players and saying that, hey, look, we can come together and provide you greater value. So for an example, we are working with Nokia, where we are creating a number of industry-specific solutions, which we are announcing actually next week, where we are saying that Nokia and Infosys coming together can create greater value for some of the communication industry players, as well as some of the other enterprise players going forward. We are doing something similar with Cisco. Now, with Cisco, we are taking some of the discussions around utility transformation and working with them to create some use cases which we are showcasing to that industry vertical. So we are working quite extensively with them. And just last one, we are also engaging with some Silicon Valley based disruptors. Right. So Calix is one of the other partners where we have just launched a joint go-to-market pursuit, where we are actually going out in the market and helping them virtualize some of the access network.
Okay, it was a very impressive breadth of offerings and services. You've got an impressive presence here as well in Nice. How relevant is the TM Forum and its current mission to Infosys?
So TM Forum for us has been really very important. And why it is very important? Because we look at TM Forum as a partner to solve some of the key industry issues. The Catalyst program particularly is really very impressive, where we believe that in a very non-intrusive way, we bring many partners and vendors together and try to solve some of the key challenges. So I don't know if you have visited our catalysts. We have 5 catalysts this time, and all are solving some key industry challenges. The one is around mobile edge computing. It's called Blade Runner, where we are actually demonstrating with the availability of the network how we can create new revenue streams for operators, which we are working with Vodafone as well as with Du in Dubai. The second one is about how we can take some of the existing systems and use new technologies like blockchain to transform some of the existing aspects and digitize them. So for an example, the clearance and the roaming interchange and interconnect can be actually put on blockchain so that it becomes near real time and much more efficient, and we can reduce leakage of the revenue. So there are a number of those kind of things that we are doing with TM Forum, and I'm really very proud of our relationship with them. We have put together 25 odd people here physically present, and our catalyst and other things have been supported by around 55 odd people. So we are very heavily engaged.
Okay, it's very, very impressive, and you're definitely positioning yourself as a thought leader then.
Yes, and this is the key, because the industry is disrupted in such a way that unless you are a thought leader, it'll be very difficult to really provide solutions that could cut across and provide the right value to the customers. And we are really looking forward to that.
Okay, Avi, thank you very much.
Thank you
Great
very
to
much,
see you again.
Thank you.